Dust collection systems for CNC woodworking. Why proper extraction is essential for quality, safety, and performance. When people talk about CNC woodworking, they usually focus on the machine itself. The spindle, the router bits, the software, or the beautiful furniture that comes off the CNC. But one critical component is often overlooked: the dust collection system. Professional woodworkers understand that dust extraction is not simply about keeping the workshop clean. It affects cutting quality. It affects tool life. It affects machine performance. And most importantly, it affects the health of everyone working inside the shop. In this video, we'll explore why dust collection systems are so important, how they work, and why professional workshops invest heavily in proper extraction systems. Chapter 1: Why dust is a serious problem. Every CNC machine generates enormous amounts of dust and chips. As router bits spin at thousands of revolutions per minute, they remove material at incredible speed. Without proper extraction, these chips accumulate quickly around the cutting area. Poor dust control can lead to rough edges, burned surfaces, overheating router bits, poor visibility, and reduced machining quality. What may appear to be a simple cleaning issue can actually affect the entire production process. Professional workshops know that controlling dust is essential for maintaining consistent quality. How dust collection systems work. The concept behind dust collection is surprisingly simple. A powerful fan creates airflow inside the system. Dust and chips are pulled through hoses connected to the machine. The waste material then travels toward a collection container or filtration unit. The goal is to remove debris immediately before it accumulates around the cutting tool. Good airflow keeps the cutting area clean and allows the router bit to work efficiently. In professional workshops, dust collection runs continuously throughout the entire machining process. How dust collection improves cutting quality. Many CNC operators are surprised to discover that dust collection directly affects machining quality. When chips remain inside the cut, the router bit can recut the same material repeatedly. This creates additional heat and friction. As temperatures increase, wood fibers may burn and cutting quality begins to suffer. Proper extraction removes chips immediately. This allows the bit to stay cooler and produce cleaner edges. In many cases, improving dust collection can produce better results without changing any machine settings. MDF dust. The hidden danger: MDF is one of the most popular materials in furniture production. But it also produces extremely fine dust. These microscopic particles can remain suspended in the air for long periods and may spread throughout the workshop. This is why professional facilities use powerful extraction systems together with proper filtration and personal protective equipment. Protecting health is just as important as protecting the machine. Types of dust collection systems. Not all extraction systems are the same. Small workshops often use simple bag collectors. Larger shops frequently choose cyclone systems because they separate larger particles before the air reaches the filters. Industrial furniture factories may use centralized systems capable of serving multiple machines simultaneously. Choosing the right system depends on workshop size, production volume, and the type of materials being machined. What is a dust shoe? The dust shoe is mounted around the spindle and directs airflow directly toward the cutting area. Its brushes help contain chips and prevent dust from spreading across the machine. A well-designed dust shoe can dramatically improve extraction efficiency. For many CNC operators, this simple accessory makes a surprisingly large difference. Filter maintenance. Even the best extraction system requires maintenance. Filters must be cleaned regularly. Hoses should be inspected for leaks. Collection containers should be emptied before they become overloaded. Neglecting maintenance reduces airflow and decreases overall performance. Professional workshops treat dust collection maintenance as seriously as machine maintenance itself. Common mistakes beginners make. Many beginners underestimate the amount of dust generated by CNC machines. Common mistakes include choosing a collector that is too small, using undersized hoses, neglecting filter cleaning, and ignoring airflow restrictions. These mistakes often lead to poor machining results and unnecessary wear on the equipment. How professional furniture factories handle dust. Professional factories invest heavily in extraction systems. Many facilities use centralized systems, cyclone separators, automated filter cleaning, and intelligent monitoring systems. Their goal is simple: maintain consistent quality, protect employees, and maximize production efficiency. The future of dust collection technology. Modern extraction systems are becoming smarter every year. New technologies include automatic filter monitoring, energy-saving systems, digital airflow sensors, and intelligent integration with CNC machines. As woodworking continues to evolve, dust collection technology will become even more efficient and more automated. Final thoughts. A dust collection system may not be the most exciting part of a CNC workshop, but it is one of the most important. It protects the operator, the machine, the router bits, and the quality of the finished product. At the end of the day, clean air and clean cuts go hand in hand. And in professional CNC woodworking, proper dust collection is not an option. It's a necessity.